Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial, and by the way guys, today I will be doing a requested video. One of my lovely subscribers requested to do rainbow polygel nails, and I didn't have any rainbow colors of polygel, so what I did is I'm going to be showing you guys a nail hack. And in this nail hack, pretty much all you will be doing is mixing any clear polygel of your choice with regular polish. So as you guys can see here, I'm just picking out my full cover nail tips, and then I will begin to apply my base. By the way guys, I did already buff my nails off camera, so here I just begin to apply the base once again like I mentioned, and then later on I will show you the process. I'll be using the GERSHION clear polygel. These are my polishes of choices. They are all from the Dollar Tree, and now I am just placing little blobs of the clear polygel on this plastic that I had laying around, and now I'll just begin to place polish over them, and then I let them dry for a little bit for they're not as runny, and then I begin to apply it onto the nail. So this hack right here is very simple. Pretty much all you do is you grab a clear polygel of your choice, and then you grab the polishes of your choice as well, and then you just apply polish over each different color, and then after just let it sit for a little bit until the polish kind of sets in, and then you begin to mix them, and you just can begin to apply them to each of the nails. So here I begin to place the polygel onto the nail, and by the way, I am using 100% acetone nail polish remover as a slip solution. And by the way, if you're doing this hack, just be patient because it is a little bit messy. And by the way, just be mindful of the amount of solution you do apply onto it, because it is a bit more runny since you did apply nail polish to the polygel. By the way, I am curing these nails and then placing them on because I just wanted the color to be distributed equally throughout the nail. And I did end up just using some nail glue from the Dollar Tree to apply the nails after I was done curing all of them. So these are what the nails look like placed on. Let me know what you guys think. I think they turned out pretty well. I really love the colors, and this is a really great alternative if you don't want to spend the money on colored polygels or you don't have them available. I didn't have them, so I just wanted to give you guys a nice nail hack that you guys can recreate at home. here are the final results of the nails. Thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.